back from the hospital. I had to get 16 stitches, 12 broken bones, and probably my organs cleaned out from all that sewage water.
I know, like, it's just poopy sugar water. Like, who wants that, right?
Who the hell was that? Damn it, stop yawning!
How about you stop?
I'm only yawning because you keep yawning.
And I'm only yawning because you won't
Stop! Stop!
No! How about you stop? How about turn around so I don't see you yawn? That loud ass yawn! Go somewhere where I can't hear you. Like, who does that? That loud yawn. Yeah. Shut up! I can still see you!
Why are you even looking?
Shut up! Damn it! Oh my god! Just stop yawning! Oh my god, just keep your mouth shut! Do this and stay like that! Because if we keep yawning, I am literally going to die! Wait, you stopped yawning! And I stopped yawning too! We did it!
Yes! Finally!
Oh my god, that was taking so long, dude!
I know!
Finally, we can relax!
No, don't do it, don't do it!
No, man.
My chest can't handle it!
Don't you dare do it! Yeah!
Oh no.